Hello, thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, welcome. No real structure for today's video, but I did want to confirm both the camera and audio quality is up to par and to my standard. Please feel free to let me know in the comment section below if there are any adjustments that would make your viewing experience better, whether it be the framing, positioning, or specific content that you'd like to see. That being said, I did want to take some time to briefly talk about my overall goals and plans for the channel. Ultimately, my goal is to grow an audience that I can provide relatable experiences with and hopefully influence positively. One of the first topics that I would like to discuss and share is directly related to this YouTube channel itself and my quote-unquote journey. For years and years, I've always thought about content creation, specifically revolving around my passion for cars. It's something that I've always wanted to explore and dedicate time to, but for some reason, I kept over-analyzing, resulting in paralysis. The analysis paralysis, or the paralysis by analysis. Talking myself out of it, making excuses. You'll be ready when you get this. You got to do that. Oh, you can only film content when this. Who's going to watch you? People are going to laugh at you. You know, having all of this noise and fear yelling at me, of course, this is my own internal dialogue, my own thoughts, me versus me. So the number one thing that really made me self-reflect and pivot almost, or I would say 180 degrees, was turning 30 this year. I am now officially Unk. It kind of had me starstruck. Like, wait a minute, I'm 30 now? Feels like a blink of an eye ago. I was 25, quote unquote, full of life and passion, doing the things that I liked and enjoyed, spending time with the people I love. Trying to reflect on the past 5 years and realizing that time is fleeting. This realization really reignited the flame within me in terms of passion and my own happiness. I've always downplayed my own accomplishments and really held myself to a very unhealthy standard. You are your own biggest critic. Your internal dialogue and voice, the way you speak to yourself, greatly impacts your overall psyche. Pivoting out of this negative internal dialogue, I never really took the time to pat myself on the back like, wow, you really accomplished this. You really set time aside and made sacrifice to reap the reward versus the easy route of the temporary reward now with looming sacrifice to come. Goes back to the realization that time is fleeting and wanting to make a positive change within myself. Growth, progression, and so forth. So this has ultimately allowed me to make this pivot. Cheesy, corny, cheesy corn. As I had said, reigniting the flame within me. Cars, content creation, YouTube are all the things that I've always wanted to do. Wishing, dreaming, talking about it. That's all I used to do. So instead, I'm telling myself I've had enough, or I have told myself I've had enough. Now is the time. No more waiting to be ready, accepting the fact that I'll never just be ready. Taking action is what will make me ready. You become ready the more you do something. Taking the action before feeling ready. Building and acquiring the confidence to continue to drown out that negative internal dialogue. Understanding that confidence doesn't come from thinking about doing the thing. It's about doing the thing. It comes from doing the thing scared and showing up for yourself. Shout out to the mindset mentor, Rob Dahl Jr., for these quotes and the life-changing podcast episodes. If you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already done so. I look forward to creating and sharing more content with each and every one of you. Thank you.